In today's world of data-driven decisions and automated systems, AI has become both a partner and a rival. But what happens when we stop seeing it as a replacement and start seeing it as an amplifier?
What you're seeing in the metrics isn't failure, it's metamorphosis. 3 weeks ago, I started documenting every time our AI missed something crucial. And I found 3 blind spots. First, it doesn't see contextual shifts until it's too late. Second, it optimizes for the wrong metrics. And third, it doesn't innovate. It doesn't make creative leaps. Here's the hybrid model. AI processes the data, but humans bring in the creativity, the judgment, and the context. And together, we get something far more powerful than either working alone. This is from Jensen Corp. They've just doubled their contract with us. Not because we were faster, but because we understood their business at a level that pure AI analysis couldn't. Efficiency doesn't equal effectiveness. What if we've been optimizing for the wrong things all along? What if the real competitive advantage isn't replacing human intelligence with artificial, but learning how to combine them in a way no one has imagined yet? Dr. Chen is going to want to document this. The world needs to see what we're doing.
As the room fills with new ideas, the real transformation begins, not with more AI, but with the hybrid mind. How does your organization currently measure success? What value could you create by combining human and AI capabilities? What would you do differently if metrics didn't matter for 3 months? The art of progress is to preserve order amid change and to preserve change amid order. Alfred North Whitehead. The transformation isn't just in the tools we use, it's in how we choose to use them.